make clinical trials more efficient. The workshop will allow attendees to learn about the key factors for trial efficiency and recent innovations in clinical trial design. And specifically, the REMAP-CAP study will be used as an exemplar for the design of an innovative study. We have two keynotes taking place today. The first keynote is from Professor Suchi Saria, who is an expert in artificial intelligence and machine learning, and she has done pioneering work on developing next-generation diagnostics and treatment planning tools. She's based in the US, and we are very privileged to have her as our keynote. Her research goes far beyond infectious diseases, so I think we have a lot to learn about this topic from her, and this is a remote keynote. It will take place at All A at 2:45 p.m. And earlier in the day, we have a keynote by Chikwe Iyakazu from WHO. He's Assistant Director General at WHO, and recently formed, and he's now leading the WHO hub for pandemics and epidemic intelligence that is based in Berlin, Germany. And his talk will obviously focus on pandemics and the role of the new hub of WHO in curbing future pandemics. So also a very interesting keynote. A third keynote that we will have will assume a slightly different format. So instead of a formal frontal lecture, we have a keynote scientific interview. And our expert interviewee in that keynote is Professor Alison Holmes from the UK. She's the director of the NIHR Health Protection Research Unit at Imperial. And she's a world-known expert in infection control, and also her work in infection control and prevention did a lot of impact during the pandemic. So I think she has a lot to teach us, and her title is also quite intriguing. Never Let an Outbreak Go to Waste: How COVID-19 has changed hospital epidemiology and infection prevention and control. We have also the Young Investigator awardees who will be interviewed today. And that is my selection for today. I would like to remind you that we will have our formal poster sessions starting today. So posters were hung already yesterday, but we have today at lunchtime, we have the formal poster session, and that means that poster presenters will stand beside their posters. So it's an opportunity for all of you to drop by the posters that you find most interesting and pick the brain of the presenters. Some of the posters are e-posters, so not all of them are presented on site, but we have special QR codes that are posted on all the poster boards. So if a poster is not present on the board, then you can just easily access it immediately by scanning the QR code. So I wish you all an enjoyable day, and see you tomorrow morning.
Thank you, Jacob. This is of great value, I think, for all our viewers who have trouble finding, or who are feeling overwhelmed by the scientific program and have difficulty choosing which elements they want to participate in. So thank you very much for giving this personal selection again for the day. Will we see you back tomorrow for another one? Yes?
Thank you, Judith.
That would be great. We will be tuning out now at ECCMID TV, but we will be back at the clock of 10 o'clock when we will be interviewing Dr. Michele Bartoletti, who is one of the recipients of the Young Investigator Awards for research in clinical microbiology and infectious diseases. So please join us and let's hear from him what he has to say about his latest research. See you at 10.